Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily change your aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. Now what aspect ratio basically means is pretty much the screen size. Let's just say I made a video that was 1920 by 1080 like this one is. This is typically the stuff you'll see on YouTube like you're probably watching now. If we're on TikTok or YouTube Shorts for example, that would basically be the opposite ratio. So if you're trying to make your longer video into a YouTube Short or a TikTok or something like that, you'd have to change the aspect ratio in order for it to fit the screen of a phone. So the way to do that is first to open your project in Premiere Pro and have your clip dragged on the timeline. Now from here at the top there's a few little options we can choose, but the one we want to look for is sequence. And the first one down we can find sequence settings. Go ahead and click on that and we can see tons of different options here. But the one that actually matters is the frame size here. So as you can see, mine's 1920 by 1080, which means 16:9 ratio. If we wanted to make a TikTok, for example, we basically just want to swap that. So we put 1080 in here, and we put 1920 in there. And as you can see, it swaps it from 16 to 9 to 9 to 16. So what that basically means is it will change your aspect ratio in to fit basically the size of a phone. If this is what you wanted, you'll go ahead and click OK. And as you can see here, the aspect ratio has changed, and my old video is now fit to the screen. Now because of this different aspect ratio, you can see these black bars, and the only way to basically get rid of them is to up this scale here. You just want to keep up in the scale until it fits the screen perfectly like so. And you can also move it to the left if you wanted to show something this side, or right if you want to show something this side, for example. But you just want to remember this if you are turning your longer videos into short videos, as some of the screen will be cut out. So you want to make sure that you can still make sure to see what's going on in the video. Now you might not be wanting to make a TikTok, you might be wanting a bigger aspect ratio. What I'd recommend to do is to search on Google for common aspect ratios, and you can figure out which one you need, and you basically just do the same process. Go sequence settings, and from there you just want to put in your frame size to match exactly how you want it. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you now got your aspect ratio right. If you do, please comment down below and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.